Welcome to Mathics. Here we have picked a question of trapezium and it is very easy question and very basics results of trapezium are required. First I would like to um, do some sort of things before entering into the problem. What is the area of trapezium? Area of trapezium is basically half into just hold on. Yeah. Area of trapezium is half into sum of parallel side into height. And what is the relation between angles and side of triangle? We will see this in the question itself. So here we have given a ABCD trapezoid with angle DAB and ADC as 90 degree. Means this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. Also AB equal to 7 and DC equal to 17. AD equal to 10. Point P is on the AD and point Q is on the BC so that PQ is parallel to AB. In a trapezium, this side are parallel, means AB is parallel to CT, and it is given that PQ is also parallel to AB. So these all three are parallel. So moving on the next point, point F is on the DC so that BF is perpendicular to the DC. This is perpendicular, okay, 90 degree, and BF intersect PQ at T. Okay, this is intersecting. Since AB and PQ are parallel, and we can say that AB and DC is parallel, and since BF is perpendicular, so this will be also perpendicular. Means angle BTQ will be 90 degree. Okay. So the very first part of the question is says determine the area of trapezoid of ABCD. So it will be very simple and it's just a formula based area of trapezium will be half into uh, the parallel side are AB and CD and its height is AD. So putting the values over here we get AB value is 7 and CD value is 17 and AD value is 10. Okay, so it's 5 times and it's 120 unit square. So this is the answer for the first part, and it says what is the measure of angle BQP. So we need to find out this angle said to be alpha, and since AB and PQ is parallel and BC can be considered as a transversal, so we can also say that this angle will be also alpha by corresponding angles. Like you can see that if this is PQ and this is DC and so this is alpha, so it will also be alpha. It is corresponding angles. Okay, fine. So we need to find the angle BQP and which is simply BCD since both of these are alpha and we know that AB and basically you can note over here that this is rectangle. ABFD is rectangle, so AB will be equal to DF, means this is 7, so FC will be 10, and since it's a rectangle AD will be equal to BF, so BF will be also 10, and we know in a triangle when the when we have equal angles, so like it's an isosceles triangle, so if this side is 10 and this side is 10, means both these sides are equal, implies both this angle will be also equal. So if this is alpha, this will be also equal to alpha. Okay. And in triangle BFC we have angles to be 90 degree plus alpha and it will be 180 degree. So alpha value equal to 45 degree. So we have find out angle BQP 45 degree. Okay, fine. And if PQ is x, determine the length of AP in terms of x. So we will do it, but first let me clear out something from over here. We get a space. Fine. So it is given that PQ is x. Okay, means this whole length is x. Let me first clear out the image also. We'll mark what is required for the next questions. Otherwise, it will create a mess over here. So I will erase the markings, and we know that PQ is x. Yes, this side is x, and we need to find the AP length. Okay, let the AP length to be h, and since this is alpha and this is also alpha, means PQ will be equal to BT. Okay, means BT is also H, since ABTP is rectangle. Okay, so we know that uh, our PQ is X, and it is also equal to this length PT plus TQ. Okay, and since BT is equal to TQ, so it will be also H. So we can say that X is equal to 7 plus H. Fine, and we need to find AP in terms of x. So AP is h, and we can say that h will be equal to x minus 7. So from here we get to be x minus 7. So this part is also done, and for the last part, let me clear the space, and okay, moving on to the last part. It says that determine the length of PQ. So we need to find this length PQ such that the area of trapezoid ABQP and PQCD are equal. Okay, fine. Um, say PQ equal to X, fine. So area and AP equal to H, and it is given that DC equal to 17 and PD will be equal to simply 10 minus H. We know the relation between x and h from our previous question. Like we have find out in the part C that h is equal to x minus 7. Okay, fine. So area of trapezoid ABQP will be basically half into AB plus PQ into AP, and this is equal to the area of trapezoid PQCD, and PQCD will be area will be PQ plus CD into PD. Okay, fine. So half and half get cancelled, and we know that AB is equal to 7. It is given in the question, and PQ we have assumed to be X, and AP is H, and we know that H is simply X minus H, X minus 7. Okay, alright. So and PQ is again X, CD is given to be 17, and we know that PD is 10 minus H. Here we will substitute the value of H. So this can be written as x plus 7 into x minus 7, and this is 17 plus x. And if we will put minus h over here, means 10 minus x minus 7, so it will be 17 minus x. So here it is 17 minus x, and here we will be applying a plus b into a minus b, so it will give a square minus b square. Okay, and here it will be also 17 square minus x square. So 2x square is equal to 289 minus 49. So x square minus 7 square, fine, and here it is 17 square minus x square. 17 square is 289 and 7 square is 49. So basically we get from over here that um, it's 240, x square is equal to 240. Mm, just hold on, I think I have committed a mistake. Yeah, actually here it is wrong. I'm doing minus 49 is on the left side, it will get 2 plus 49 on the right side. Okay, I got. So it will be 2x square, and here it is 289 plus 49. So it will be 8 and 3 and 3. 2x square is 338. X square will be equal to 169. So value of x will be equal to plus minus 13. Since we have assumed x to be the side, since over here we have assumed PQ as x, so x cannot be negative, so our value will be x equal to 13 accepted and minus 13 will be rejected. So it's the answer of this question. I hope you enjoyed the um, solution of this problem, and let me put it over here, the answers of all part. It is 120 unit square, second part is 45 degree, third part is h equal to x minus 7, and the fourth part is 13 unit. So this was the solution for this question. I hope you enjoyed the question and approach by which I have solved this question. In mathematics, it only requires some basic formulas and common understanding to solve it. Hope you see in the next video. Thank you.